Verbal irony. What is verbal irony? It refers to what is said is different than what is meant. What does it mean by this definition? It means, as the term is self-explanatory, that when a speaker says one thing, but he or she really means another thing, is simply called a verbal irony. For example, when you come out from your house and outside is a scorching heat, and then you say, "What a nice weather we are having." Basically here the weather is not pleasant and you said something, but it is the opposite of intended one. So it is verbal irony. And look at another example. When a mom comes home and her children made themselves and the room dirty, and then mom says, "Wow, you would win an award for cleanliness." Here what mom said is different from her intention, because she said something that is meant different. And look at another example. When your friend tells you about his failure and you say that, "Wow, you are so intelligent." Again, what you say is different from what you meant. So this is verbal irony.